Gosh, there was me. What could possibly go wrong?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
There they are! We'll be right down! Oh, excellent! You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's...
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. Finally there, we can walk crazy round. Love with you by my side. The stars
What's this lever do? Well, here we are, back in the barn. Remember to gather up all your